Hi, it's Amy, and today we're going to do a 90s pastel inspired look that can be done really quickly and simply in Salon. Enjoy! So for our first look, we're going to start with Lavender Breeze from the Pastel collection, Spring Meadow from the Pastels collection, Love Note from the Pastel collection, Snow White, Serious Black, and then Pink Fairy Wings, which is part of the Platinum collection, and a nice rosy gold glitter. So to start, we're going to take Pink Fairy Wings and we're going to paint a full nail on the pinky, making sure to get them sidewalls nice and straight and capping your free edge. Before we cue with that, we're going to go in with Love Note, which is a nice pastel pink, and we're going to go on the ring finger and do a full coverage nail, and then we'll pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. And when that's come out, we're going to go in with Snow White on the middle finger, just making sure you pull the skin back up at the cuticle to butt it up to the cuticle nice and neatly. And then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then going in on your pointy finger with Lavender Breeze. And we'll just get these done and then we'll go give them a second coat. Pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then go back in for a second coat on all of the nails before we do our design. Pop that in the lamp. Then just take the shiny sticky layer off with some gel residue wipe off solution and a lint free pad. So on a palette we're going to put some colours. We're going to first go in with Love Note, just put a little blob down, some of our Serious Black, Snow White and some Lavender Breeze, and lastly Spring Meadow. So first of all, we're going to go back in with Lavender Breeze on the brush. Wipe the brush on the side of your bottle so it takes a majority off. And on the pink, just going to do a nice little streak. When you're happy with that, flash cure it for 10 seconds. With Love Note, we're going to go in on our purple one and do a similar thing, making sure to give it some texture with the brush strokes. And flash cue that for 10 seconds. Then on our middle finger we're going to go in with Spring Meadow and actually do a defined line. Taking your 001 brush to even that line out. When you're happy with that one, pop that in for 30 seconds. And then on your thumb we're going to go back in with Lavender Breeze and do half a nail. Remember to take our 001 brush to straighten them lines up, and then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds before we do a second coat on each of those nails. Then with some gel residue wipe off solution, we're going to wipe over the sticky layer again on all 4 of those fingers. So starting with this one here, I'm going to take some Serious Black on our 001 brush. We're just going to do some little dashes, anything that you feel complements it. On this middle one here, going to take some more Serious Black and on the white do some little splodges, almost like Dalmatian. You don't want perfect little circles. Then on this finger here I'm going to take some Snow White, just going to do some little wiggly lines. And finally on the thumb we're going to go in with Love Note, which is the pink, and do some dash lines and then pop that into the cube for 30 seconds. And then to finish we're going to go in with Urban Graffiti's top coat. And we're going to top coat all 5 fingers. I love these colour combos because they'll give me like hard 90s vibes. And then pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And then we're going to go in with pink pineapple cuticle oil because it's the only one I use, and rehydrate those cuticles. And there you have it, my 90s inspired pastel look. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like and feel free to subscribe. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye!